Welcome to my channel Extravagant, a German atelier Mansory, known for its extravagant projects, has customized the Tesla Cybertruck. The electric pickup has become even more original. The Tesla Cybertruck pickup also received 26-inch wheels with low-profile tires, and additional optics were installed on the roof. The tuning of a Tesla Cybertruck did not affect the power plant. The interior of a Tesla Cybertruck Mansory has also undergone changes. It was covered with expensive leather. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.